Alright guys, I know it's really kind, and that means you're really safe, so. Good. Be back for you.
There you go. Thank you so much. Good luck. Even though we're being advised, you're going to get that.
Alright guys, relax, until you ride. Positive. Alright guys, see you when you get back.
Alright, President Jeff, are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, welcome back. Everybody show their lights.